lost on arbitrary. It's amazing, isn't it? You look at his face when you say a word, you know he understands, and it just goes dead. Like when your computer freezes. Is there an equivalent to control or delete? When he doesn't understand something, you have to press like knob, Bollock, finger up, arse, knob, Bollock, finger up, arse, knob, Bollock, finger up, arse, knob, Bollock, finger up, arse. Now that's 3 things to press. We've only got 2 hands, so God, what would I do? So I'd have to the thumb off right and pop that up his arse. I'd have my index finger of my left hand on his knob. How would I press his testicles? What would I use? I have to use some other part. Should we try? Yeah, let's have him. No, come on.
Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
I just think it's time that we had a little kiss. Knob, Bollock, finger up, arse, knob, Bollock, finger up, arse, knob, Bollock, finger up, arse, knob, Bollock, finger up, arse. What are you doing? I'm gonna give you a kiss for the webcam. No, I love it.
I love it.
'Cause he hates it so much you wouldn't get that. Radio 1. Knob, Bollock, finger up,